We have recently upgraded our Optimax handheld biogas analyzer with a new H2S sensor. You now have the choice of 3 different H2S sensors.
The standard H2S sensor has a measuring range of 0 to 2000 ppm, with a short-term overload range up to 5000 ppm. Optionally, a low-range H2S sensor with a range of 0 to 50 ppm and a short-term overload range up to 200 ppm can be installed. Or, also optionally, a H2S sensor with a range of 100 to 5000 ppm and a short-term overload range up to 10,000 ppm can be installed.
All this in combination with the dual NDIR module for CO2 and CH4, an electrochemical O2 sensor, numerous features and options, makes the Optimax the most versatile handheld biogas analyzer available. For more information, please contact us and we will be happy to assist you.